Envirotech team is proud and privileged to be the first RTO with courses in marine habitat conservation and restoration in the vocational framework. We have explored the extremely affected marine ecosystem and the inability of current skill sets to mitigate the ongoing damage. The goal is to quickly create a new workforce that already is connected to the oceans by living in island areas and being fishermen. I believe that during this COVID-19 crisis, humanity has an urgent request to put new foundations into curriculums across all levels of education. Most important, high schools. All around the world, high schools are basing the curriculum on very generic type of occupations such as mathematics, language, and even history. Yet we do not consider the future, and especially the environment, as core subjects to teach. I believe that education providers in Australia and internationally have now responsibility and extraordinary opportunity to rethink the core values behind our education and how they connect to the world around us. Both matter and spirit have to be addressed when we look at the decade which we have entered into with droughts, fires, floods, and COVID-19. I believe that as we all now retreat to study from home, we have the opportunity to bring into our curriculum system full awareness to what we have been experiencing and for what children are seeking for innovative solutions and answers as part of their training and preparation for the world they will inherit from us. Putting environmental management and sustainability, marine conservation restoration, and the science of preserving water, air, and nutrients in our land is crucial to be implemented in all high schools, as our young graduates will soon be in a workforce and have to learn how to redevelop itself in a manner that supports nature. Thank you.